Hey guys, so today I'm gonna do a science experiment with just me, and it's an easy one that you guys can probably do at home because all of the materials that I'm gonna be using are ones that you can probably find at your house. So then maybe afterwards you guys can get to do the experiment yourself. So our experiment today is about germs and the importance of washing our hands. And I say it all the time when you guys are in the classroom about how important it is to wash our hands because we don't wanna get sick. We don't want to spread them onto our friends, right? I always say don't put your fingers in your mouth, don't put them in your nose. And if you do, I'm usually saying to go to the sink and wash your hands, right? Because I don't want to get sick and I know you don't want to get sick. And that's why I always say that. So we're going to talk about the importance of germs and washing our hands. So first I'm going to read a story and it's called Germs Are Not for Sharing. And I know you've heard me say this over and over and over in the classroom that we don't share our germs. We share our toys, but we don't share our germs. So germs are not for sharing, right? That's one thing we don't want to share. What is too small to see, but can have the power to make you sick? Germs. They're in the air, in food, water, on your body, and all things that you touch. But not all germs are bad. Right? Because I say when you put your fingers in your mouth and then you touch a toy, don't your germs then go to that toy? Everything you touch, your germs will touch too. But still, germs are not for sharing because germs can make you sick. And we don't like being sick. Achoo, achoo, what do you need? Cover your nose with the tissue before the germs get out. Blow, wipe, and toss. And we've also learned that if we don't make it to a tissue, we blow into our elbow like a vampire, right? Cough, cough. What do you need to do? Cover up your mouth before the germs get out like this, or even this. I don't like that one as much because I think his germs can still get out. So remember, like a vampire or into a tissue. We don't cough onto our hand because if we cough onto our hand, then your germs are on your hand then. That's why we cough into our elbow. If you cough or sneeze into your hands, hurry up and wash them because germs are not for sharing. So just like I said, we don't want to cough onto our hand. When germs get on our hands, they can spread to other people. When you hold hands or play games or give each other high fives. Whenever you touch something, your germs get left behind, and you might even pick up some new ones. So everything you touch, your germs will be left behind. Here are some places where germs like to hang out. So on the phone, on doorknobs, on money, on toys, right? All these are toys. Your shoes, a toilet, all these things germs get on. And at the bottom it says, and we can live there for up to 2 hours. That's kind of a long time. Germs, germs, germs everywhere. What can you do? You can wash your hands. You use warm water and lots of soap. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Remember, because if you put soap on your hand and then put it right under the sink, is that really scrubbing the germs off? No. You have to scrub your hands, right? I know Aubrey, I've seen her do it before where she sings the ABCs. You sometimes sing a song. So you gotta scrub, scrub, scrub all those germs off in between your creases of your fingers, everywhere. You gotta scrub it all over your hands. Wash for as long as it takes to sing the ABCs or happy birthday twice. Scrub the tops, scrub your palms, wash under your nails and even your wrists. Now rinse, rinse, rinse. Send those germs down the drain. Bye-bye, germs. And then use a clean towel to dry your hands. Now it says 10 good times to wash your hands. So before you eat, after you sneeze or cough, after you rub your eyes, after you pick your nose for sure, after you cry, playing outside or with pets. What else do we got? Counting your money or touching money. Using the bathroom. Remember, we always wash our hands after the bathroom. And just whenever they're dirty. That's why when we come in from outside, I always have you wipe your hands off because you're dirty from coming from outside. So that's 10 good times to wash your hands, 1 for each finger, all clean. So remember, wash those germs away. So my science experiment today, so you're kind of not gonna see my face right now, is we are using, I don't know if you can see because it's kind of bright. So I have water, we have soap, we're gonna use soap, that's gonna be my soap in this bowl. We have water, soap, and then this is black pepper. The pepper is going to serve as our germ. So here's my bowl of water, and the water is gonna be like our hand. So here's my hand, and say I was just coughing into my hand. So I coughed into my hand, and here are all my germs that went on my hand. Now that's a lot of germs, right? So here I'm gonna put my finger in the bowl before I wash my hands without using any soap. So see, I put my finger in, and when it comes out, see all the germs that got stuck to my finger? So when you don't wash your hands, the germs stay on your fingers and on your hands. So now let's see what happens when I use soap and wash my hands. So here I am, I'm gonna put lots of soap on my hand, and now I'm gonna stick it in the water, and let's see what happens. So what happened with all the germs? They all moved away because germs don't like soap because it cleans them off. So that shows the importance of washing our hands. Germs don't like soap. So when we wash our hands and go and put it in front of the germs, they move away. So that's how important it is to wash our hands to get all those germs off of us. So it's something fun and easy that you can try at home. And it's kind of fun too to see how they all move away and spread out. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. It was just quick and easy just to show how important it is to use soap when we wash our hands. All right, I'll try to come up with another one for next week, and we'll see what I can find. Bye.